Hi, I'm Will Druzianic, and a couple of years ago I decided to do the on-air workshop while I was in high school, and it's what really got me into radio. I was interested in going because I wanted creative freedom and the ability to come up with my own ideas and execute them, and I've been really enjoying it. So how the workshop ran was we got to do 1 day of journalism, 1 day of radio, and 2 days of TV. And during that time we actually got to try everything out, and we got to use all this cool gear that I never thought I'd be able to touch because it's quite impressive actually. I also learned a lot about journalism, but I did stick with radio, and I'm glad I did because currently I am now the station manager for Fever FM, which is the disco station that the second year radios are currently running. For anyone out there that's still pondering whether they should or shouldn't do the on-air workshop, I highly recommend it because for someone like me who was a bit on the fence about the industry and whether they'd like it, you really got to see what it was about, and I'm glad that I did, otherwise I wouldn't be where I am right now.